Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a profile photo to your account on OnlyFans using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for OnlyFans. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on that, wait for that to load. Now let's go to the OnlyFans profile, which we have a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Let's click on this. This will directly take us to the account. And now we will need to click on the cogwheel where it says edit profile for us to change or upload a new profile photo to the account. We can upload a file or take a photo. We'll just upload a file as we are on a Mac computer. If we were doing this from a mobile phone, we could then take a photo. Now let's go to Documents, go to my YouTube channel, click on YouTube icon.jpg for Computer Science Videos. Upload the photo itself. We can further edit if we require, but we'll just click on save, and there we go. Now click on save again. That has now been saved. Go to my profile, and there we go. We have now uploaded a photo to the OnlyFans account using a Mac computer. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.